If you're job hunting, you've probably sent out tons of CVs and wondered why you're not getting replies. Today, we're fixing that with a foolproof guide on how to write a CV that actually gets read and scores you interviews. Let's jump right in. We're breaking this down into 4 simple steps. Nail these and your CV will stand out from the stack. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Customize for the job. A one-size-fits-all CV is a recipe for rejection. Recruiters spend just 6 seconds scanning your CV, so it's gotta scream, "I'm perfect for this." Start by dissecting the job ad. Look for keywords, specific skills, qualifications, or experiences, and weave them into your CV. For instance, if the job calls for customer engagement, don't just list it. Say something like, improved customer satisfaction by 25% through proactive support. Numbers make your achievements pop. Customize your CV for every application. It's a game changer. Step 2. Keep it clear and concise. Your CV isn't a memoir, it's a snapshot of your best work. Aim for 1 to 2 pages. Use a clean, professional layout with headings like work experience, education, and skills. Skip fancy fonts or bright colors. Stick to Arial or Calibri, size 11 or 12. Bullet points are key for readability. For each role, list 3 to 4 key responsibilities or wins in short, punchy sentences. Start with strong verbs like developed, streamlined, or delivered, and leave some white space. Crowded CVs are a turnoff. Step 3. Show your impact. Recruiters don't care about your job duties, they want results. Instead of saying responsible for sales, try grew sales by 30% in 1 year through targeted campaigns. Specifics build trust. If you're early in your career or switching fields, highlight transferable skills. Maybe you planned events as a volunteer, that's project management. Or you mentored a teammate, that's leadership. Got employment gaps? Focus on what you did, like upskilling or freelancing. Step 4. Polish to perfection. A single typo can undermine your professionalism, so meticulous proofreading is essential. Read your CV aloud to identify awkward phrasing or unclear sentences. Utilize tools like Grammarly to catch grammatical errors and enhance clarity. Additionally, enlist a trusted friend or colleague to review your CV. They'll spot mistakes or inconsistencies you might overlook. A polished CV reflects attention to detail, a critical trait for any role. Start your CV with a concise summary limited to 2 sentences that encapsulates your professional identity and value. For example, creative marketer with 4 years experience driving brand visibility through innovative campaigns. This sets the tone and grabs attention. Ensure your contact information, email, and phone number is prominently displayed. For visual or creative fields, include a link to your portfolio or LinkedIn profile to showcase your work. If applicable, tailor the link to highlight relevant projects. Keep the design clean and professional, avoiding cluttered layouts or excessive graphics. Prioritize clarity and relevance in every section, aligning your skills and experience with the job's requirements. A well-crafted CV not only communicates your qualifications, but also demonstrates your commitment to excellence. Conclusion, and that's it. 4 steps to a CV that grabs attention. Customize it, keep it clear, show your impact, and polish it until it shines. Trust me, these steps will make your CV stand out in a sea of applications. A well-crafted CV isn't just a piece of paper, it's your ticket to opening doors and landing that dream job, so take the time to make it reflect and your unique strengths. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest CV struggle? Maybe you're unsure how to handle employment gaps, or you're wondering how to make your skills shine without much experience. Drop your questions or challenges in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.